Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn high notes. First, focus on engaging your diaphragm for robust breath support. This is fundamental for vocal power. Next, ensure your jaw and neck remain relaxed to avoid any unnecessary tension that can restrict your sound. Always start with gentle vocal exercises, gradually increasing your range as your voice warms up and strengthens. This careful approach helps build a solid foundation for higher pitches. To truly master high notes, incorporate specific techniques into your routine. Start by warming up your voice with lip trills and vocal sirens. These are excellent for flexibility. When singing higher, aim to project your sound forward, which helps achieve clear resonance and makes the notes feel less strained. Remember to maintain a steady, consistent airflow without pushing too hard, allowing your voice to float effortlessly. It's crucial to avoid common pitfalls when learning high notes. Never strain your throat, as this can lead to serious vocal damage and set back your progress. Also, resist the urge to use excessive volume when reaching for higher pitches. Focus instead on proper technique and breath. Finally, always prioritize hydration by drinking plenty of water and ensure you get sufficient rest to keep your vocal cords healthy and ready to perform. Consistent practice is key to seeing significant improvement. Aim for daily sessions of 15 to 20 minutes to build vocal stamina and muscle memory. Recording yourself during practice is incredibly valuable. It allows you to objectively assess your progress and identify areas needing refinement. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Keep practicing, stay patient, and enjoy your vocal journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.